Hello, welcome to Milo on the Ready. Today I'm here going to talk about tools. Nothing major like hammers, screwdrivers, things like that, but just the basic thing that we should always have with us. I'd say all of the time. I know I have mine with me right now, and it is my Gerber Multi-Tool. There are certain things that I look for on a multi-tool. One, this one is a one-hand open multi-tool. I do like that feature of it. One thing, I like to have a serrated blade. I also like to have a file. Now, the one thing I do like about this Gerber Multi-Tool is when it is fully extended, it locks in place. Very important feature to have. You don't want the blade moving, slipping on you when you're trying to use it. You have to release it then. This one also has the standard blade knife. A medium screwdriver and bottle opener. I've used a bottle opener a few times. Won't deny that. It also has a larger screwdriver blade and a small blade. And of course, you have your Phillips screwdriver. I've used that quite a bit. And it has a can opener. I think a can opener is a very good thing to have on any multi-tool. It should be one of the first things that you need. A can opener and a file. I've seen a lot of multi-tools that have neither. I tend to stay away from those because it's just, you need to have a can opener with you in most situations. Sorry, Milo's out here with me. I've got to check on him every once in a while. Of course, it does have your pliers on there, your needle nose pliers. It has the wire cutters here. This one here, down here, has crimpers. So if you need to crimp wire, you have that ability. I have used that in the past. So it does work, so I know it's a good feature to have on this. I bought this one on Amazon for right about $60. And so that's the multi-tool I carry with me all of the time. Now on the flip side, and it is another Gerber, but this is the one I bought for my wife. A little bit more expensive, I found out. It is not a one-hand open. You gotta flip it around. But it does have the good pair of wire cutters on it with the replaceable blades. So I thought that was a nice little feature. All of the tools, when it's open, are on the inside. You're not cutting your fingers on sharp edges that a lot of multi-tools have, because that's where the tools are. This one, all of the tools are accessible from the outside. And again, it has these release mechanisms. When the blade is fully out, they lock in place for safety. Pardon me. This one here has a partially serrated blade. Again, I'm not a real fan of the partially serrated blades. I would rather have a serrated blade and a regular blade. This one has a saw, kind of like a grit on the blade, so it's more of a hacksaw, which I thought was a nice little feature. The blades are replaceable. and it does have the Phillips screwdriver on one side. The other side does have the file. Again, one of the key features that I look for in the multi-tools. And of course it has the 3 different size screwdriver blades and the bottle opener. I have not had the opportunity to use the bottle opener on this one yet, sadly. And the last thing it has is this. Looks kind of goofy looking at the moment, but when it's fully out, it's a pair of scissors, which is cute, I think. Now, this multi-tool here, if you look it up on Gerber's website, is about $120. This is one of those neat finds I found in a pawn shop for $20. So don't ever doubt you can't find good gear at a discount. I know that when I bought this, I already had my multi-tool. But when I got this, I was expecting to spend a lot more on a good multi-tool like this. So that's when I actually got my Gerber knife. And so I got, everything. It's about the price that I would have spent if I just bought this. But yeah, I found it in a pawn shop for $20. And it was brand new. Still had the oil on it, so don't hesitate to go to pawn shops and thrift stores looking for good, decent gear. That's all I got for you today. I'd like to know what you have to say in the comments below. If you haven't, please subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. It helps out with everything on YouTube. Have a great day. Stay safe out there.